Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boil eggs easily. First, place your eggs in a single layer in a saucepan. Then cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, immediately remove the pan from the heat, cover it tightly, and let the eggs sit for the recommended time. This simple method ensures consistent results every time. Achieving your preferred doneness is simple with precise timing. For soft-boiled eggs with a runny yolk, let them rest for 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a medium-boiled egg with a slightly firm yolk, allow 5 to 7 minutes. For perfectly hard-boiled eggs, a resting time of 10 to 12 minutes is ideal. Remember to adjust these times slightly for very large or small eggs. After cooking, immediately transfer your eggs to an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process, preventing that undesirable green ring around the yolk. Once cooled, gently tap the egg on a hard surface to create small cracks all over the shell. Peeling them under cool running water can make the shell slide off much more easily, saving you time and frustration. For the easiest peeling, consider using eggs that are a few days old, as very fresh eggs tend to stick more. Adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt or vinegar to the boiling water can also be beneficial. Salt may help prevent cracking, while vinegar can assist in sealing any small cracks that form. Hard-boiled eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.